rescued them. Or here are 5 unnamed kittens that you promised to take care of for 8 weeks while they're growing up. You can go ahead and name them. So we've had pasta, we've had vegetables. Some of these guys' actual names include Mothra and Mechagodzilla.
Oh my god.
Yes. Dude, this is Mechagodzilla right here.
100%. Either one. Yeah, because by finding the data, they can't eat
Mechagodzilla.
Oh, I guess fuck yeah.
So a lot of them just do manage to have a lot of people pick names for their cats. The
one just
last
fits my
season
cosplay.
came in with
Oh my god, I caught the moment you were fixing your hair.
Someone named after hire and
Airtime out.
Oh look. You fixing your hair. What about the orange cats? Do orange cats have previous names?
The older cats?
Orange cats?
Yes, I can find their business names.
I feel so bad leaving this one.
Let's see.
Now get everybody's social media so I can tag people, but my internet's not loading.
No worries. If you have your notes out, I could definitely type on the Instagram.
I have a Google Doc that I've been putting everything in.
No, Matcha's the one. Guess what? I'm not playing it.
Mochi's the one that.
The cat's hops.
He also plays fetch.
You have a cat that plays fetch,
This
yes.
one here, his foster dad told us he plays fetch, and he's very friendly. And we have given him a bachelor's in hotel management. He's been managing this room all weekend.
Alright, we got less than 2 minutes now, so if you want to start saying goodbye, get some last pictures.
Here,
Make sure
you
you
already
don't
have
forget
mine.
anything that you brought
get their
in.
socials and just message me. Absolutely. My phone is not
If you forget
functioning
anything in this
properly.
room, we
Actually,
can
what
donate to
is
cat dogs. We don't
EDT
get it
49er.
back.
EDT 49.
Yeah, I've gotten you before a couple of times, I
You
think.
always notice like that or no?
And then just,
You've gotten me, possibly. I'm Cherry Soda.
oh yeah, I've gotten you. I've gotten you. Yeah.
Sorry, the cats are ready
That's
to
me.
each other now.
Some of them are.
Yeah, I think I got one when you competed.
Black ones, the poofy.
Did you compete? Or
I have
think-
not competed, but I have hung around some of the competitors.
Oh, there's tuxedo.
Then I definitely think I've gotten you. Because your username sounds familiar, so I think I've gotten you.
Let's stand up.
Take the kittens up from standing and stare them. Some of them might stare heights, we don't know. If they have bow ties or red collars, they still don't have any applications in for their adoption yet. There are a few kitties you may have seen on the board that aren't in this area. We have 2 or 3 shy ones that if you're really interested in them, we will help you locate them in the staff area where they're hiding quietly. They're very friendly. There's just a lot of chaos.
Not really eat nice without playing.
Good job, Shishimi. There's also Shishimi who's behind the water cooler. The water thing.
That's her.
That's her spot. She doesn't move. Don't try and move.
The zoomies.
Oh, so everyone's just adding kittens to your shelf? Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna find another one. Oh my god. Yeah.
Here, let me find your seat.
Yes.
Stop, that's too cute. I love your little
I think that one likes you.
Just a little bit.
Yes. Come back a couple times.
That one was being really spicy, like the first.
What I'm about with me is
Have you look?
buy a house and just have
Be a crazy cat.
I'm getting a corner of a cat.
Oh my god, the cat's using my bag as a newsstand. Connor.
Guys, my 18
Don't die.
yeah. Wonder if they have like brushes.
Oh my god.
Got in your
Ray. No, cat is
see my back, it's a stand.
What?
I hate this.
I know, I can't.
Take a photo, take a photo, take a photo.
I'm working on it.
And then the shy one is in the back.
Instant rejection.
He's too terrified.
Can I see my phone again for a bit?
I hate everything.
Oh, I'm still recording you now.
We're gonna give you like ID.
They're children.
That one loves the wall.
Yeah. Bren, thank you so much for
I have a Abby in here.
getting me a ticket here. Me too.
Don't cry.
Hi there. Wait, Abby.
I need to hear your phone one more time.
That is not a tabby cat.
I don't know. It's the orange one.
We love orange cat. Oh, long hair.
No, I'm just scared.
Cats like seem to like my name.
They smell my cat on me, probably.
I've been to like 3 cat cafes, like all of them.
Can we have you take a picture of something?
Well, wait, listen, he's on the ground.
On the ground. Can we have you take a picture?
I don't have my kid. That'll be my phone.
I have your phone. Can you take a photo of me?
Look at me, Daddy.
It's recording, just saying.
There's a ginger cat.
You like the black cat over there?
I love every cat.
You want me to give you a ginger cat?
That one's fine. Cat toy? Cat toy. Cat toy.
Oh my god.
Do we need to hand more cats?
Can I hand it more?
Child wants a ginger cat.
I'll take any cat.
But any
I'm
cat.
happy with any cat. I love cats.
There's ginger right there.
I'll take ginger.
Eating.
Oh,
Absolutely.
I'll leave him alone.
But yeah.
Where's the wagon?
Great.
Yeah.
Alex is crying again.
I feel like cats just bring out like your inner like traumas to like heal them. Like it's just like I don't know.
Same.
I will happily wait for any cat.
This one right here.
So crazy. Oh my god.
It's going straight to you. It's going straight to you.
Be careful under there.
Oh no, he's under the wheelchair.
Oh no, the cat's trying to climb the screen. I'm pretty sure this is Emma Gary.
Hi.
Oh, they have the name. Their name's on their neck. Their name's on their neck. What's the name of that one?
Wasabi? I think Wasabi has chosen me.
Yeah.
I think you need a cat.
I have a cat.
Well, I think you need another one.
175.
Dang it.
My mom would not let me.
Well, I don't know.
I hate cats. I guess they all don't.
I think you need to leave
Yeah,
if you hate them.
Maybe sit down and just.
Kitties.
How can you say this cat? You don't like it?
Look at that one. It's there.
Tinsel man.
It's because some of them are moving. You just have to wait for them to come towards you.
Oh, is there another cat named Matcha? That's the name of my cat.
There's a cat right here.
Just scratched a mate. Oh my god. I can't take this.
There's another cat named Matcha. Dude, that's so cute.
I love cats
name is Jingle.
They have a red. Oh,
They're coming to each other. They cry.
oh my god. You can pick them up, just not from staying on the
Bento's like, I've been kidnapped.
You want another? This one's a little squirmy.
Those kinds of cats. I can't get up. It's still on my knee.
Hi. You want to back up?
My cat. They're so tiny. Wasabi's still on my Wasabi loves you. Black cat coming your way. Black cat coming your way. You whacked him. You whacked him in the face.
Play with the tripod too.
We wasn't going all in with it.
Oh, you parent. Oh yeah, did I get the spot? I got a spot.
Forever.
I found a spot.
Wasabi loves Dobby. This cat has been on my lap for like. Did you just say Dobby?
That's very true.
They say that they share the same one.
I'm going to
I
cry.
don't think they're secret.
Do it.
One, but they're all sharing it, so you get like a million fractions.
He doesn't like you. He just told me that. Can I speak to them? I hate them. They're so stupid. The two.
Oh, shut up. That great. Oh my god. I'm so happy.
Mr. Flyman here.
Had to be in my list.
This cat will not get up from my lap.
You're gonna break its heart when you leave.
You are.
How's that?
It's not my cat. My cat does that.
My cat likes eating plastic.
Think about that.
It is?
Dude, I can't get up.
There's a kitty in it.
No,
I can't.
you're
Cats-
stuck there.
Yeah, you're stuck there. You can't go any further.
I don't make the rules. That's your life. You're just stuck there. What? What is the other thing you said? Jennifer?
Yes.
And then send it to me. I'm gonna send it to my mom.
I'm gonna take a picture on Ellis' phone, okay?
Take them all on my phone. I'll send them to you guys. But
Yeah.
I want them all on my phone.
Watch the one in here.
It's still on my lap. Connor.
It's still?
It's still on my lap. The same cat.
And it's been getting and recording this whole time too.
What a pose.
I'm legally obligated to not leave it.
Yeah. No, bro wants to play with it. You gotta give it.
Oh, big strand. Oh my god. That little
Damn it. I was hoping they would still be playing with the wig. My battery just died.
No way, he's just sticking his hand out.
Hold on, turn this way, turn this way. Do it for the do it for the vine.
This hairball is not, you're not gonna like that hairball.
No, that hairball's gonna suck. Do it for the vine.
He's just chilling now. He really wants that one.
He's scared. Got this 100 yards scared. He's locked in on your way. I don't want you to eat it. You get sick.
Oh, why do you just not want to go?
Expensive.
Nope.
Yeah, what are they gonna do? He's thinking.
He was trying to eat this earlier.
That was the one you were playing with. That was the one that he was playing with.
I think he's reacting to the
He's like, just a cat trying to get into the song.
Dude, your costume right now is so
Oh my god. Is that cat still on the top of the tower? Oh, here. Look, I got the cat staring this way.
Orange flavored one.
Look at like the picture I'm gonna send to them.
This is stressing.
Oh, my butt. He's definitely hear this shit. And it's not cats in that cat's out. Is that the one top and always been that? Yeah, he's been in there like the whole day or something like that?
It's already been almost 20 minutes.
Found that spot.
I get the photographer. And that's just kind of just overwhelmed the cats.
Ooh, get it.
By the way, I'm giving these photos to them, so you may or may not end up in promo materials.
That's why. Oh, but that's weird.
Is it okay because
Yes. No, I wouldn't recommend licking them. Some of them have been plagued in the cat boxes.
Why are you trying to lick them, Gray?
this is giving me baby fever, but for cats.
Why are you taking photos of me crying?
Because.
I'm like bawling my eyes out right now.
You're
Oh my
welcome.
god.
Don't leave those.
I want to.
Connor wants you to cry.
Those are the best photos, is when people
I
cry
have
for
like a
kittens.
tear.
Exactly. So, like I said, you guys may or may not end up in promo material for them.
Yep.
You're welcome.
I'm like sweating balls so badly.
Ugly ass.
How are you?
And I'm the big.
I know. I'm like, am I allowed? Am I allowed to express my excitement?
Yeah.
No, you have to be
Adult
emotionless
cats,
with the
or are they all
cats.
kittens?
They're all 5 months.
They're kids. They're all 3 to 5 months. We brought kids to the event
Oh my god. Oh my
because
god.
they'll be a bit more adaptable to having 15 new people come in every 20 minutes. The cat cafe on Tennyson. I can tell you it is not fully wheelchair accessible. There's 2 or 3 stairs in the middle.
Look at me.
That being said, plenty of kitties do go to the lower opening area, which is accessible.
Yeah, as long as you
From
stay
Tennyson
sitting, as far as I'm
I
aware.
was there 2 years ago now.
Yeah, just
My
don't
dad.
pick them up if they're
My
like.
dad doesn't like cats, and this
What's
cat,
the-
of course, just climbed up on him and fell asleep.
Yep.
So this is
What I did with my dad. He was allergic to cats.
It's just if they're sleeping, don't pick up, right? And if they're.
Here, do you want me to put that on the chair?
We ask that you not pick them up from standing because if they freak out and jump, we don't want them to hurt themselves. We have one kitty that couldn't come because they hurt their legs.
Yeah, that's why I know if sitting, and then if they're sleeping, leave loud.
Staff people were
I'm already
cat
crying.
relocating, including sleeping kitties, 2 people, especially since
Melo's gonna kill me.